Hey, what's up, guys? Show me the money. Alex Silvestri back at it and again with another finance video. We're going to start a new series on the channel because I have a huge passion for stocks, and everyone that knows me can contest to that. So what I have here is a brand new account I just started right when we had the first stock market crash. I have a Webull and a Robinhood account, just so you know. It's great, but my main portfolio is on Robinhood, just so you know. This was a great time to get in the stock market. I was telling everybody that, family, friends, to get around this time. But a lot of people were giving me a lot of pushback, so it felt a little bit risky at the time. So I didn't load up, a crazy amount of money in the stock market when there was the crash going on and stocks were at an all-time low. As you can imagine, you probably even didn't put any money or very little in yourself, just because everyone was advising against it. So that's why I wanted to start this account, so I can kind of show you what stocks I picked, and I can actually share some of the success and what's been working for me and help spread the word to motivate some people. So in about the last month or so, you can kind of see I have some stocks, some of my top performers here. You'll see, first of all, over up about 46%. At one point, it was up over like 100%. So it has been pretty steady here. But as you can see, if we drag our little thing, you'll see at one point on 608, you'll actually see that we are up to $5,100. And if you can see here, my initial investment, it was about $3,000. So I'm at $4,300 now. I'm up $1,300, up 46% all time. And at one point I was at $5,100. So now that we looked at my overall performance, let's go into each stock and kind of go over where my big winners are. So Toll Brother, you'll see right here, up 94%. Only, unfortunately, up $65. Only bought 4 shares. I have $134 total. Up 94% on Toll Brothers, which is a really solid stock, by the way. If you don't know anything about them, they're an awesome company, home builder company, custom home builds. Definitely look into them. The next one here is Macy's. I got an average about $4.70 a stock. It's up to $6 now, 70 cents, up 40%. Again, I only bought 35 shares just to see what would happen here. Now, Steel is our next one, only up 28%, which is obviously very good. But as you can see, overall, I'm up 46%, so it's a little bit below my average. Here we have Kohl's was another one. It was at $14 a share, and I thought, this is crazy. Let's load up, bought 20 shares, $400 in Kohl's, one of my biggest equity stakes so far that we've been over. Kirkland, wow, Kirkland. That's all I have to say about that one. Look at that. Kirkland up 286%. Wow. I bought it at 80 cents a share. It's at about $3 now. This is honestly one I'm thinking about selling. It is a Costco brand, up 286%. That's a good one right there. About 100 shares, about $80. Now it's, gained 232 from $80. Wow. So Revolve Group, this is a solid stock. You guys should be on top of this one. Look at that, 110%. I put about $567. Well, that's my stake now. I'm up about $300. So I only put like $250 or so into the stock. But as you can see, it's up 110%. You got to believe in these stocks. And when you see these at 80 cents Kirkland, $8 Revolve, you're going to have to buy some of these stocks sooner or later. So you might as well get in now sooner than later is what I always say. Now, JP Morgan still down, so this is a good one to invest in. I recommend. It didn't bounce back yet. It is a bank stock, one of the bigger bank stocks too. I bought at $24 a share, bought $150. So I would definitely advise, if you're watching this right now, buy some Chase. Don't go crazy, but maybe put $200, $300, $400 in. See a good increase over the next few months. Del Taco, I don't even know why I bought this one, to be honest. I think it was just because it was deadly low. Let's actually go into this one. So hold on here. Del Taco. Del Taco, it's just one of those ones that was just obviously going to go up. Like, if you look, it was at $15. It was at $16 a share. Not that long ago, in 2016. And then if you look here more recently, in 2018, it was even at $16 again. That wasn't that long ago. And all of a sudden, it has that huge drop from $13 from the first of the year all the way down to $2 a share. And you guys are telling me you didn't pick up some Del Taco stock? Are you crazy? Yeah, I picked up some Del Taco stock. It was $2 a share. And look at $6 now. $6 a share. All right, so we went over Del Taco, $6 a share now. I'm up $130. I only put, I don't even know how much I put, like $60 or something like that in there. So it wasn't a big one. So the next one is Carnival. Did you guys not buy this again? I'm up 60%, well, 57%. So that was $300 free dollars right there that I got. $300 for free. I put in about $500, earned $300 for free. Bought 52 shares at $10 a share for Carnival. Carnival stock was just up to like $20 a stock not that long ago, and it's going to go back up to $40. So just keep following me, keep updated. I'm going to let you know how this account continues to perform. There's still a few more stocks that we have to go over, but it's just kind of exciting just to see where this would go. I have about $761 I still need to spend. Yeah, so if you actually do the math, I might be up a little bit more. I think it's taking into consideration that I have $761 in cash for my overall balance. So that being said, let's go to our next one. We have Winning Resorts. Win. All right, so I put about $200 in the stock, made $100, up 51%. Not much to say. Bought 4 shares. I love all these stocks for long term. That's why I'm not selling any of them. I'm holding them because they're all great. Uber was another great one. I picked up at $18 a share. It's up 117%. Or sorry about that. 79%. I'm up $117. So you can kind of see if you look up at all my other stocks how much I'm up on every single one of these. These were my few picks. I think I have about 12 positions total. So yeah, keep following me. Comment below what you guys' thoughts are. If you guys got in a little bit late, if you guys are up a little bit more, where you're at. I think my account should be up about like 60% overall, 65. But again, I think it's taking into account my $761 that's not in my account right now. Taking in account that I have a cash balance of $761 and adding that to my net account value. So, yeah, whatever. At the end of the day, it is what it is, and I'm pretty happy overall. Stay tuned. Keep up. See if I go up to 100% return. See if I can go up to 200% and see where these stocks take me. And I'm probably going to show you guys eventually my Robinhood account, my full account, my main account, and show you like my day-to-day movements. If that's what you guys are something you're interested in, like what kind of positions I'm getting into, like swing trading type things I like to go on. Maybe I'll hold a stock for like a week or 2 weeks, or sometimes even a month or 2 months, and sell it at the right time. I think Kirkland is one that I do want to sell. Probably the only one that I'm thinking about selling right now is a little bit of Kirkland stock. And yeah, stay tuned and subscribe, and make sure you throw a thumbs up if you like this kind of content and you want to know some more too. All right, till next time, guys. Show me the money again.